I thank you for accepting my proposal to marry you and make me my wife. And I promise to honor my vows until the end of time. I love you.
When I found you, I found somebody who cares. When I found you, found my most intimate prayer. When I found you, I found what every heart dreams of. When I found you, I found love. When I found you, I found the rest of my life. When I found you, I told all others goodbye. When I found you, I saw my fears fly away like a dove. When I found you, I found love. When I found you, I found my fate in your arms. When I found you, I found love.
Never met a man quite like you, doing all he can, making my dreams come true. You're strong and you're smart, you've taken my heart, and I give you the rest of me too. You're the perfect man for me. I love you, I do. I love you. Never felt quite like this. Good about myself from my very first kiss. I'm here when you call. You've got it all, and confidence like I never knew. You're the perfect man for me. I love you, I do. I love you. Never felt quite like this. Good about myself from my very first kiss.